So I've had a bit of a problem with the vehicle lately. When you turn the key to start it, sometimes it doesn't start. If you jiggle it around a little bit or back off the ignition, the starter will then engage. I suspect it's the ignition switch. It's probably worn out. The truck's got over 200,000 miles on it now, so it's probably well worth the change. I haven't found any videos, so we'll try this out and see how we get on with it. First we'll get that cover off. Now I haven't done one of these before and there's no videos on YouTube, so I thought I'd make one here. And it looks like I've just got to get this bottom cover off, or taking these screws out there, and there. And once that's off, I'll have a look inside and see what we need to get to the back of this to change the ignition switch. We need to just unclip this top piece. You can see I've done that already, and then unhook this bottom cover. And it should come off right. There we go. That should do it. There we go. Right, now with the cover off, it's fairly easy to see the ignition switch here. That's the piece we're gonna replace. There's this tiny little screw holding it up the top here, over there, and that's going to be a bit of a challenge to get to, but I mean, we're going to loosen that and then take the clip out here, and that should be fairly straightforward, and we'll give it a try. As you see, I've had to remove some of the clips here and here of the wiring in order to get in the back here, but with a little bit of jiggling around with a screwdriver, managed to get that screw out. We should be able to get the switch out now. Alright, now just to release this clip, it should just come straight out, which it has. Right, put the new one in. Okay, so this is the new one I picked up, £18 off of eBay. Let's have a look. Looks the same. Oh, well, we'll put it in and give it a go. So fitting it is just the reversal of taking it out. I fitted the switch now. Plug the connectors back in, and we'll just give it a test start before we close everything up. Perfect. Get those covers all clipped back on. I had one of the little wires was sticking out the side here, which was stopping it from clipping back in, so looks like you've got to watch out for that. Right, just the screws in and we should be done. And that's how you change an ignition switch in under 5 minutes.